Welcome to SkillsForge Pro. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to create a professional cinematic title animation in Canva, quickly and effortlessly, in under 2 minutes. To start, we need a suitable video background. You can either upload your own or browse through Canva's free video library under the Elements tab. For this tutorial, I'll choose this beautiful drone footage. To enhance the cinematic feel, we'll adjust the lighting settings, reducing brightness to megas of 5s and increasing contrast to 10 for a more dramatic look. Next, let's create these cinematic black bars to achieve the classic 16:9 film effect. Simply add 2 identical black rectangular shapes, one at the top and one at the bottom of the video. Now it's time for the title animation. I'll use the text, cinematic view, adjust the font size, and select the perfect font, Glacial Indifference. To enhance the style, I'll increase the letter spacing to 275 for a sleek, modern feel. For the animation, I'll apply the Clarify effect, setting the movement to center and activating the On-Enter animation. Let's play it back, and it looks smooth, well-balanced, and cinematic. I love how it turned out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, let us know in the comments what Canva techniques you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial.